Pini nangli tumpan la so video long nang kethan ponji la bangke Diphu Karbi Anglong pen kapik lang pon avoreng warsai aputhak sinali tumpan nang than pechini ponikpo la penali tum kladak mati detail salam la bangke kai kia son la so video long si thek pon long ekpo la penali tumpan birta kime la bangke la son lo non online jong si toilet nali tum online apply example te link active pon ek ela la se kuman masih ka apply zima nali tum la so video comment along pingo nili nali tum pan online pen na apply pi ekpo la pen la so video stame nali tum long da prang po ko son se ka apply neng zima la so aputhak stame nili paklang pon ekpo la pen pini bangke nili nali tum apan woreng war sai aputhak se nang van pi eklo la se kopia woreng war sai ma kon ana post vacancies se doma la bangke nali tum non aprang la so video long si thek pon long ekpo la se nali tum la so YouTube channel long nang kahumri milang pulte ka chingon pen subscribe ikon latest update nali tum kelong verzi apan adung he stame bela jan thegloi hoda stame nali tum berpon ikder non tane non pathek pen chethan polona la so woreng awar sai kapiklang pon la bangke Assam Rifle Public School High School mate Diphu Assam Karbi Anglong pen sekapaklang pon iklo la pen vacancies for the clear la pen PT teachers upon the post vacancies ban da paklang pon iklo la se da ke tok pon la bangke the Ketokpon work in interview will be conducted on 20 May 2024 at ARTC NS Diphu to fill up flowing vacancies in Assam Rifle Public School Diphu Assam. La siladak interview ke ponji la bangke interview ki pidam nengji la ke 21 May 2024 la pen adim la bangke ARTCS Diphu la so dim si nalitum dam nang po mate Assam Rifle Public is High School along sinalitum dam ik nang po la pen apos la bangke kicheng si apos la ke dak cleared mate PRT computer afan isido the pen qualification kinangji labangke graduation 1 year experience in clerical works mate minimum 1 year in computer diploma unang po la pen typing with minimum speed of 40 WPM an unang po la pen knowledge of computer MS Office speed 8000 key depression per hour an unang po cleared mate PRT computer afan bangke la pen puthot dak number 2 long do thola ladak stame PT teachers afan stame da apos la bangke AC paklang pondo la pen kachar leng deng kenang ji la bangke bachelor of physical education mate PE direkta PBED and complete nang pola pen 4 years dak degree course ke entang nang pola pen 3 years graduation la pen 1 year BPED diploma unang po la pen BSc physical education health education la pen sports 1 year BPED diploma unang po la se ning ke hang abang phietum jong si jogdon exi pulate pravjin penang litum jogdon egon dake tok pondo candidate who are willing to work in Assam Rifle Public School Diphu only to apply application with mobile number of the candidates and copy of Aadhaar card must be submitted by hand on or before 21 May 2024 at the following address. La se ka apply dunji atum anstame nalitum mobile number application alang mobile number la pen Aadhaar card hai nalitum pidam nang po ki pidam nang ji adim la bangke nalitum la screen along thek pon long exi OC Assam Rifle Public School High Diphu ARTCS Karbi Anglong Assam pin number 782460 la sodium sinalitum dam nang po la pen puthot dak ke tok pon do thlang for any queries please contact the dak number ki pipondo ke thom an number ki pipondo school NOC number la pen email staminalitum email hin ben staminalitum da contact pon email da email ID stamina pipon iklo la pen da tok pondo all expenses will be borne by candidate himself pay will BS the prevailing skill in computable institution lapen ladak salary puthak bandak mention ponpe lapen age limit mention ponpe lapen dak all candidates are required to carry PAN card, UID or any other valid identity original certificate of educational qualification lasika fly honalitum PAN card lapen Aadhaar card hayo stamina litum pon ignang po lapen apus manda ki ong doyali hiniwet lase ninghang abang phi jang si jogdun ji ninghang pulte prabjin penalitum jogdun ego adim labang ke nili amot stamina litum hanang than pachini pon iglo Assam Rifle Public School Diphu ARTCS Karbi Anglong Assam pin number labang ke 782460 la penalitum jang si contact ji pulte dake thom an contact number ki pi pondo la senalitum prabjin pen contact ingol la pen email pen lenalitum chingki iji pustame email stame da pi pon iglo kadado ka details nalitum dag long pon ikpol la si prabjin pen nalitum jogdon igo jang senalitum jogdon de pustame ki jogdon ji atum do ta imine la si la so video banalitum share pon igo pinia video long bangla aning ton pon lo na KARDOM
to change your